Hi guys, Namaste. I hope you are fine. So today is 25th February and we are gonna solve the problem of the day. Actually, I am uploading a video after a lot of days, so I'll try to upload the video for the previous problem of the day as soon as possible. After this video, I will also try to upload the video for the problems for LeetCode 75. So stay tuned with me. So I want to let you know that I want you to know that I'm solving these problems from LeetCode problem of the day as well as LeetCode 75 on a daily basis. Sometimes it get due to some personal reasons I was not able to upload the videos, but yeah. So if you want to follow those problems, you can subscribe my channel and uh, I will share the links of the playlist in the description. As along with this, I have also created a WhatsApp group for the coders. So if you want to get connected with the different coders from the India and other part of the world, you can join that channel. You can join that WhatsApp group, right? So that's all. Let's start with the problem. So I actually have solved this problem earlier, so I'm gonna explain it to you. Give me a second. I will. Mhm. Okay, so the problem is number of sub arrays with odd sums, right? So the problem is given an array of integer arr, given an array of integer arr, return the number of sub arrays with odd sum. So we have 1, 3 and 5. So how many sub arrays are there with the sum odd, right? So there is 3 4 arrays, right? So which is one is one sub array, 3 is another sub array, 5 is another sub array, and sum of 1 3 5, so it is 9, right? So 9 is also a sub array. This is also sub array with odd sum, right? So total answer is 4 here. Here any sub array doesn't have a odd sum, so that's why answer is 0. uh, this sub array, considering this sub array, right, we have one a sub array which has some odd, which is 1 comma 2 2 comma so 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 3 along, 3 comma 4 4 comma 5 5 along, 5 comma 6 6 comma 7 7 along. Along with this we have these sub arrays also, so there are too many sub arrays. So how to find the number of sub arrays, right? How to find the number of sub arrays which has the odd number of odd sums, right? So there is a two ways. Of course there is a one native approach, brute force approach. The brute force approach is the approach which can just solve the problem without considering the time complexity and space complexity. But we are not gonna solve the problem in a brute force, but of course we will discuss that. So how to solve the problem in a brute force approach? So what we'll do, we'll first make all the sub arrays out of it, right? So how to make all the sub arrays? It will take it will take 2 factorial time complexity as well as space complexity, right? So the finding all the sub arrays from a array takes 2 factorial time complexity. Okay, let me check it again. Sub arrays. Oh, okay, n cube. No. Generating all the sub arrays, right? So it will take, what is the time complexity of it? Okay, as far as I remember, it is a 2 factorial, but anyways, but okay, so time complexity is 2 to the power n. So first what we'll do, we will generate all the sub arrays and then we will make a sum of all the subarrays and count how many sums are odd, right? So it is taking almost 2 to the power 2 factorial or 2 to the power n time complexity, which is like huge, right? So we are not gonna solve this problem in this way. So now what can we do? How to optimize this, right? So we can use DP. How can we use DP? So let's say we have this array, right? So we will iterate through this array and we will count that how many total sums are there which has odd sum, and how many total sums sub arrays are there which has even sum, right? So let's say till here, right? Till here we have, let's say, 5 odd sums and we have 3 even sums, right? So let's say odd sum is 11, 13 etc, and even sums are 12, 14 etc, right? Now we have a array, we have a sub element which is odd, right? So total number of odd sums will become, how many total number of odd sums are there at 5? So all the element which has all the sums which has even before, right? So we have to know that even plus odd is odd, even plus even is equals to even, odd plus even equals to odd, and odd plus odd equals to even, right? So I hope you all are aware of about this. So we have total number of odd sums are 5, we have total number of even sums are 3. Now we have an odd element, right? So the odd, so even plus odd can become even, right? So the total number of odd sums now is equals to even plus that one element, right? So that is also a sub array. So total number of odd sums are total number of even sums before plus 1, and total number of even sums, so the total number of odd sums plus odd is become even. So total number of even sum will become odd before, just odd before, right? Because now if we encounter a even, right, so the total number of, so if x is odd and if x is even, the total number of even odd sums will become the total number of odd sums before, because odd plus even is equals to even. So that is just odd, and total number of even sums are total number of even plus 1, because current element is even, right? So that is all we need to do, and at every point we will add these odd sums in the answer, right? I hope you understand this approach. So I will explain to you again. So we have one mathematical condition that odd plus odd equals to even, and odd plus even equals to odd, right? So what we'll do, we will count the number of odd sums and even sums at any point, and while iterating to the next point, what we'll see that if we have a odd number or even number, right? If we have an odd number, our odd sums will be updated as even plus 1, and our even sums will be updated as odd. While if we have an even number, our odd sum will become, odd sum will remain odd sums, and even sum will get updated by 1, right? So that's all we need to do. So let's check the code. We have a even sum equals to 0, we have a odd sum equals to 0, the total sum, and a mod is for the, because the answer can be large, so we will need a mod, right? We have a mod which is 10 to the power e plus 7. We are iterating array. If the current element is even, this means even, so even sum will get updated and odd sum will remain same. So else if it is a odd, what we'll do, even sum is getting updated with as odd sum, and odd sum is temp, means temp is even sum, so even sum plus 1. Now we are just uh, adding the odd sum to the total sum, and we are returning the total sum. So that is what we need to do. And yeah, this is getting submitted with almost like good time complexity, which is ON and fairly enough, right? So this is all in this solution. I hope you understand. I hope you understand this well. So thank you for your time. Thank you.